In 2017, Robotic launched Lean Robotics, a structured and repeatable approach to automation. Design, integrate, operate. It shaped how manufacturers automate and how we build. After hundreds of successful palletizing deployments, we've brought it all together. Introducing PalReady, a production-ready palletizing cell that completes the lean palletizing experience. Fully assembled, designed for rapid installs. Featuring anchorless redeployment under 10 minutes. A smooth transition from your upstream conveyor. Automatically delivering boxes at the right time and the right place. No manual intervention between products to increase uptime. Integrated safeguarding that allows you to maximize performance with confidence. All supported by a flexible, robust, and easy-to-operate software. Start fast. Scale with confidence. PalReady.